I am Dr. K. Shanti, Professor CSE in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. And in the Unit 1, we are going to see about the characteristics of Java, Java environment, Java source file structure and compilation. So, objective of the topic, that is, the student will be learning about the characteristics as well as to run the Java program. First, let us see what do you mean by Java. So, it is a high level programming language. Okay, and it was developed by the Sun Microsystem and released in the year 1995. And Java runs in variety of platform such as Windows, Mac OS and various version of Unix. So according to the Sun, 3 billion devices run Java. There are many devices were jointly currently used, and some of the applications that are used by Java is desktop application, web application, enterprise application, mobile and embedded system, smart card and robotics and games. Now let us know about the Java virtual machine. So it is a program that provides runtime environment necessary for Java program to execute. So it provides the platform to run the Java program. So Java program cannot run without JVM for the appropriate hardware and OS platform. So Java program are started by the command line such as Java, argument as well as the programming. Next, let us see about the characteristics of Java. So first, it is simple, that is easy to write and more readable. And Java has concise, cohesive set of features that make us easy to learn and use. Most of the concepts are drawn from C++, thus making Java learning simpler. Next one is the secure. Java program cannot harm other system, thus making it secure. Java provides a secure means of creating internet application. Java provides secure way to access web application. Next is the portable. Java program can execute in any environment for which there is a Java runtime system. Java can run on any platform, that is Linux, Windows, Mac. And that can also be transferred over World Wide Web, that is using the applet. The next is the object oriented. It is an object oriented programming. It provides all the object oriented features and it is a pure object oriented programming language. Robust. So it encourages error free programming by being strictly typed and performing runtime check. The next is the architecture. Java is not tied to a specific machine or operating system architecture. So Java is machine independent. Next is the multi-threaded. Java provides integrated support for multi-threaded programming. Interpreted. It supports cross-platform code through use of Java bytecode. So the bytecode can be interpreted on any platform by JVM machine. Then high performance. So this bytecode are highly optimized, so JVM can execute bytecode much faster. Last one, distributor. Java is designed with the distributed environment, so it is transmitted over internet. Okay, so these are the characteristics of Java. The next is the Java virtual machine. So JVM is a program that provides runtime environment. necessary for Java program to execute. Java program cannot run without JVM with appropriate hardware as well as OS platform. So JVM, Java program, Java bytecode and JVM. So setting up the environment in Java. First we have to set the local environment setup, that is download Java and run the .exe to install the Java on the machine. Then setting up the path for the window. So my computer, select properties, environment variable button under advanced tab. Now alter the path variable so that it also contain the path in Java executable. Then the popular Java editor that are used are the Notepad, NetBeans and Eclipse. Java source file structure. So here first part, it is having the package, so that is defined. Second part, that is import declaration. Third part is the class. 0 or more level, top level class and interface declarations are available here. So the Java source file can be have the following elements. So first is the optional package declaration, 0 or more import declaration, then any number of declaration, class, enum, interface, everything are deployed and declared collectively in the top level type declaration. So this is the example, package animal, interface animal, and here we are having public void eat of, public void travel off. So this is the part 1, that is optional package declaration. Second, 0 or more import declaration, that is import package name or import package name dot star. Second part. Part 3, the class will be defined here, interface. So that are the statement that will be available in the part 3. Then compilation. So Java code need to be compiled. First the bytecode need to be run, then it has to convert it to machine code. Java classes and bytecode are compiled to machine code and loaded into the memory by the JVM. So compiling, we are using the statement that is Java C example program.java. For finding the output, we are using the statement that is Java program name. So in this way the program is executed and we are getting the output. Next is the quick compilation procedure. Open text editor or notepad or gedit, Xcode, whatever it is. Type the Java program and save it at .java. Then compile the program using Java C Java name.java. Then to run the program, Java program name. So in this how the program can be executed. Okay, thank you.